10th Standard Geography, Unit 10, India, Industries. Dear students, you have already seen the video of social science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. Answer the following questions. First one, explain the importance of industries in India. The development of industries reduces the reliance on primary products and imported goods. Helps to increase the national and per capita income. Helps to earn foreign exchange. Next point, creates job opportunities. They raise GDP and the living standard of the people. They help to reduce the pressure on agriculture. These are all the importance of industries in India. Let's move to question number 2. What are the factors of location of iron and steel industry? The factors of location of iron and steel industry are supply of basic raw materials of iron ore, coking coal as main source of power and hydel power, railway transport and port facilities, plenty of water supply, cheap labor, capital and local market. These are the factors of location of iron and steel industry. Let's move to question number 3. Mention the iron and steel plants of private sectors. The iron and steel plants of private sector are the Tata Iron and Steel Company, Jindal Vijayanagar Steel Limited, Ispat Iron and Steel Limited, Tata Steel Plant. These are the iron and steel plants of private sector. Let's move to question number 4. Mention the iron and steel plants of public sector. The iron and steel plants of public sector are Indian Iron and Steel Company, Vishwesvaraya Iron and Steel Limited, Bhilai Steel Plant, Rourkela Steel Plant, Durgapur Steel Plant, Bokaro Steel Plant. The Salem Steel Plant, the Vishakhapatnam Steel Plant, Daitari Steel Plant, Tata Steel Limited. These are the iron and steel plants of public sector. Question number 5. What are the factors of location of cotton textile industry? The factors of location of cotton textile industry are the supply of raw cotton, power, vast market, capital, skilled labor, humid climate. These are the factors of location of cotton textile industry. Question number 6. What are the main factors for the location of sugar industry? The main factors for the location of sugar industry are supply of sugar cane, cheap and efficient transport facilities, government encouragement, market, capital. These are the main factors for the location of sugar industry. Let's move to question number 7. Paper industry is a forest-based industry. Why? Answer is, the raw materials used in paper industry are softwood like bamboo and cellulosic pulp, grasses like sabai and babar. So, paper industry is a forest-based industry. Let's move to question number 8. What are the factors of location of paper industry? The factors of location of paper industry are plenty of water, a vast market, supply of cheap labor, transport facility, power and some chemicals. These are the factors of location of paper industry.